Welcome back and happy Monday. Thanks for joining us. Meteorologist Lauren Kreidler with you here as we're taking a look at gorgeous Sanibel Siesta on the beach. Look at these lucky beachgoers. I'm only a little bit jealous there, but hey, at least we get to enjoy that gorgeous view over Sanibel. Blue skies, lots of sunshine overhead. You're seeing those clouds out there in the distance. Those are going to continue to push away as those are some thunderstorms out in the Gulf. Again, continuing to move away. 88 degrees, but look at that feels like temperature when you factor in that humidity. Feels like 97 degrees on Sanibel Island, so quite toasty. And temperatures to match. Look at that. Temperatures in the upper 80s to even low 90s in some spots. Englewood, looking at you there, 90 degrees. 88 in LaBelle, Immokalee, Ave Maria. 89 in Fort Myers, 89 in Babcock Ranch. Naples, Bonita Springs reaching temperatures this hour of 87 degrees. So we are just warming up already on this Monday, and a couple more hours we'll continue to see those temperatures eventually top out in those low 90s. Even our inland areas, though, seeing those mid 90s. Those feels like temperatures, of course, closer to the triple digits. And then as we go throughout the afternoon, you're noticing those thunderstorm icons there. Not everyone is going to see rain today. In fact, rain chances rather limited today. Just some isolated storms in the forecast this afternoon into the evening. And then by this evening, temperatures back down into the 80s under those partly cloudy skies. But looking at Wink Live Doppler, 3x, 3 times more accurate radar, this is what we are looking at right now. Dry on land. I'm tracking a few stray showers I mentioned earlier, about 30 to 40 miles off the coast of Sanibel, continuing to move away. Aside from that, though, dry start to our day, and then by around 3-4 o'clock, notice I'll be tracking some of those spotty showers, mostly in our inland areas, but we still have that southeasterly flow that's going to stick around as we go throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours, and that will push some of those showers and storms that do develop a bit closer to the coastline. So there is a chance of seeing rain today, though on the lower side, giving about a 30% chance of seeing those scattered storms as we go throughout the afternoon and evening, leaving behind a little bit of cloud cover for our areas in Collier County, some partly cloudy skies for the rest of us. And looking at those rain chances over the next 7 days, a little up and down action here, 30% for today and tomorrow, isolated storms. And then by Wednesday, Thursday, a little bit more moisture works its way back into the forecast, allowing for some scattered storms back in play. About a 30 to 40% chance of rain throughout this entirety of the week. As far as the tropics go, no development expected over the next 7 days. Music to our ears. 93 degrees for today. Isolated storms for your Tuesday. Looking ahead, temperatures a little bit warmer as we go towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, even reaching the mid 90s to upper 90s in some spots. And first day of summer is on Friday. I know it's felt like summer for quite some time, but isolated storms and temperatures in the low to mid 90s.